Top 5 Best Saltwater Chlorinators. Number 5. CircuPool Core 55 Salt Chlorinator System. CircuPool Core 55 Salt Chlorinator isn't just another gadget promising poolside bliss. It actually delivers, with a few bumps along the way. Designed for easy DIY installation, it's a clear win for new pool owners who'd rather keep their limbs than pay for overpriced pool tech. The built-in flow switch eliminates the need for expensive automation systems, saving money and headaches from day one. Setup is fast. Template included, no measuring, just cut, glue, and plug it in. It kicks chlorine production into high gear quickly, making it ideal for medium to large pools. And yes, the warranty is 8 years, though it's prorated after year 2, important fine print. Performance-wise, it's a workhorse. Users upgrading from smaller models or other brands noticed immediate improvements. It keeps up even in scorching Texas heat, reducing pump time and power use. Cleaning is also a breeze, which matters when dealing with hard water. The only real hiccup? Some units have shown premature cell wear. But here's where CircuPool stands out. Their customer service is no joke. Replacement units, quick turnaround, and hands-on support have turned frustrated buyers into loyal fans. In the world of pool gear, that's rare. Coming in number 4. CircuPool Universal 40 Saltwater Chlorinator. The CircuPool Universal 40 Saltwater Chlorinator hits the sweet spot for pool owners tired of chlorine drama, price spikes, daily dosing, and endless guesswork. Designed for in-ground pools up to 40,000 gallons, this system transforms plain salt into clean, steady chlorine, cutting out the mess and confusion of traditional pool chemicals. Installation is refreshingly simple. For those upgrading from an older Hayward system, it's practically plug and play. No new plumbing, no drain needed. Even tight spaces aren't a deal breaker, with the unit fitting snugly into 24 inches of pipe and working smoothly alongside variable speed pumps. It's a DIY dream for the determined. Performance is where it shines. Pools stay clearer longer, with fewer algae battles and much less chlorine juggling. Owners rave about the set-it-and-forget-it ease. Even long-time chlorine tab users notice a massive improvement, not just in maintenance, but in the actual swimming experience. The water feels softer, doesn't sting eyes, and doesn't bleach swimsuits. Yes, the owner's manual might read like a chemistry textbook, but once the system's running, it's smooth sailing. With rising chlorine costs and product shortages, switching to salt just makes sense, and Universal 40 is proving to be a smart, reliable upgrade. Coming in number 3, Hayward W3AQR15. The Hayward W3AQR15 Aquarite Salt Chlorination System turns chlorine chaos into smooth, automated sanity for pools up to 40,000 gallons. It converts salt into chlorine quietly and efficiently, keeping water crystal clear without the daily chemical juggle or that harsh pool smell. Swimmers notice the difference instantly. Softer water, no burning eyes, no bleached swimwear. For those replacing an old Hayward system, installation is a breeze. Same plumbing, same setup. Even first-time users report a smooth DIY install in under an hour. A digital display makes adjustments easy, and pairing with Hayward automation adds even more control. The included turbo cell works hard behind the scenes, producing clean chlorine while you relax. Long-time chlorine users switching to salt rave about the dramatic drop in maintenance and cost. Adding a few bags of salt up front beats the never-ending chlorine tab bills. And yes, oversized is better. A T15 cell on a smaller pool adds years to the system's life. Downsides? The owner's manual leans scientific, and tech support can be hit or miss. But if you respect the salt levels, keep it under 3,500 ppm, and avoid flooding the system, it'll reward you with consistent performance. A quiet upgrade that pays for itself in peace and poolside pleasure. Coming in number 2. Intex QS500 Crystal Clear Saltwater Chlorine System. The Intex QS500 Crystal Clear Saltwater Chlorine System is a game-changer for above-ground pool owners tired of chlorine chaos and filter fatigue. Built as a single, all-in-one unit with pump, filter, and saltwater chlorinator, it's designed for ease, even if setup demands a little elbow grease and extra hose know-how. Once running, it delivers powerful performance. Stronger circulation, clearer water, and a major drop in daily maintenance are immediate wins. Owners report cleaner pools with far less skimming, even with trees nearby dropping nature's debris buffet. The sand filter handles the funk like a pro, and backwashing is oddly satisfying. Watching the grime disappear in seconds is a little victory every time. For families, it's a relief. No more harsh chlorine smell or skin irritation, just soft, swim-ready water. While lifespan might hover around 1 to 2 seasons, many are happy to keep rebuying it for the hassle it saves. Plus, at under $150, it pays for itself quickly in skipped chlorine costs. Space-conscious pool owners should plan ahead. Hose compatibility and unit placement matter. But once dialed in, it runs quietly and reliably. For anyone looking to convert their above-ground pool to saltwater without breaking the bank, the QS500 makes a strong, splashy case. Coming in number 1. Maureen T-Cell 15 Salt Chlorinator Replacement. The Maureen T-Cell 15 Salt Chlorinator Replacement is proof that not every upgrade needs to cost a fortune or come with complications. Designed for in-ground pools up to 40,000 gallons, this salt cell drops right into most Hayward-compatible systems like AquaRite, SwimPure Plus, and ProLogic, making it a smart, plug-and-play replacement for aging or failing cells. Despite its plain white shell, no clear window here, this unit impresses where it matters: performance and durability. Built with corrosion-resistant materials like titanium, it handles electrolysis with ease and keeps chlorine production steady, even under regular pool use. Water quality stays soft, clear, and balanced, reducing the usual chemical juggling act. Installation is quick, thanks to its 13.5-foot cable, swivel joint, and clear instructions. Owners report a smooth setup with no need to call in a pro. Once running, it delivers like a brand new OEM part, at a fraction of the price. Just keep an eye on salinity levels, ideally 2800 to 4500 ppm, and avoid using mineral salts that can choke the system. With a 3-year warranty and round-the-clock support, it's a risk-free fix for pools needing a refresh. Not flashy, just reliable, exactly what a replacement part should be.